Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the APC battery backup beeping continuously, stop beeping and reset UPS alarm. So fix one, check the wall power. Make sure the UPS power cord is firmly connected so you can plug it directly into a working wall outlet. Check whether the wall switch or circuit breaker is off. Avoid connecting the UPS through an extension cord or a surge protector. The fix to reduce the connected load. So turn off the UPS and disconnect printer, heater, speakers, gaming systems and other high power devices. Leave only essential equipment such as the computer and monitor and turn the UPS back on. Reconnect devices individually to identify which one caused the alarm. Fix 3, recharge the battery. Shut down the connected equipment, leave the UPS connected to working AC power, allow it to charge uninterrupted for 10 to 24 hours. Test it again after charging, and if the alarm returns immediately during a power outage, the battery may no longer hold enough charge. The fix 4, check the battery connection. If the UPS is new or was recently moved, turn off and unplug the UPS. Open only the designed battery compartment, confirm that the battery connectors is firmly attached, close the compartment, reconnect the UPS and turn it on. The fix 5, reset the UPS. Shut down and disconnect all connected equipment, turn off the UPS and unplug it from the wall. Disconnected batteries if your model permits it, and hold the power button for approximate 5 seconds and reconnect the battery and plug the UPS directly in to a known good outlet. Then turn it on without any equipment attached, then reconnect devices one at a time. The fix 6, replace the battery. The replaced battery lights is on or flashing. The UPS continues beeping after a full charge and reset. The battery is several years old. Backup time has become extremely short. Goodbye and thanks for watching.